Breaking story coming in right here. Supreme Court order on migrant workers case. Supreme Court has said that no fare either by train or bus shall be charged from migrant workers. Fare is going to be shared by the states as per their arrangements. The Supreme Court further goes on to say that all the migrant workers who are stranded at various places shall be provided food by the concerned state and the union territory at places which shall be publicized and notified to them for the period that they are waiting for their turn to board a train or a bus. So this is a big one coming in from the Supreme Court on the migrant workers case. We all know what the migrant worker crisis has been post the lockdown. Anisha Mathur breaking the story. Anisha, if you could just walk our viewers through the latest order that's coming in from the Supreme Court on the migrant workers case, a very crucial one while at it.
Well, yes, the Supreme Court has issued very detailed directions right now. After a marathon, almost 2.5 hour long hearing on the migrant workers case, the Supreme Court has issued multiple directions. First of all, of course, being that no fare will be charged from the migrant workers, either by the train or by bus. Secondly, any of the migrant workers who are stranded at various places must be provided food, shelter, medication, water by the state where they are currently in. And more importantly, apart from these directions, they have also said that in the trains as well as the buses where the migrants are being moved by the state government, food and water must be provided during the journey as well. Because remember, we've seen in the last few days complaints coming in from the migrant workers that they have had to undertake long journeys without any water or food in the train. What is also important is that the court has asked all states as well as the centre to come up with the actual on-record numbers. How many people are actually stranded in various states? What are the numbers of migrant workers who want to go back to their home states? What kind of transport facilities are available? What kind of transport facilities will be needed? How many days will it take to actually get these people back home? And that is something that the court was asked again and again, that about the exact numbers. Remember, at this moment, the government has, of course, said that there are lakhs of people who've been moved. 91 lakh is the number that the government has said have been moved by buses or trains.
All right, Anisha Mathur getting us all those latest details on the Supreme Court order, very crucial order coming in for the migrant crisis.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.